In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove address on PayPal. Many of us might need to update or remove an old address from our PayPal account. Perhaps you've moved or no longer use a previous shipping address for online purchases. Whatever the reason, removing an address on PayPal is a straightforward process that helps keep your financial information current and secure. I'll walk you through each step to ensure you can do it easily and confidently. Keeping your account details up to date is good practice for managing your online transactions, so let's begin. First, you'll need to log into your PayPal account. Once you're successfully logged in, your next step is to navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on the gear icon, which is typically located in the top right corner of your PayPal dashboard. This settings area is your central hub for managing various aspects of your PayPal profile, including personal information, linked payment methods, and, of course, your addresses. Take a moment to ensure you're in the correct settings section before proceeding, as this step allows you to access and modify your stored account details. Once you are in your settings, you'll want to locate the Addresses section. This specific area lists all the physical addresses you currently have associated with your PayPal account. This might include your primary residential address, various shipping addresses, or different billing addresses you've used over time. Carefully review the addresses displayed on the screen and identify the specific one you wish to remove from your profile. Next to each address entry, you will typically see an icon that looks like three small dots, arranged either vertically or horizontally. This icon usually signifies more options or an action menu. Click on this three-dotted line icon corresponding to the exact address you intend to delete. It's important to select the correct address, especially if you have multiple entries listed, to avoid inadvertently modifying or removing the wrong one. A small drop-down menu will then appear, presenting you with a few choices for that particular address. After clicking the three-dotted line icon, a small menu will pop up on your screen. Among the options presented in this menu, you should clearly see one labeled Remove. Simply click on Remove. Before the address is permanently deleted, PayPal will usually prompt you with a confirmation message. This message typically asks if you are absolutely sure you want to remove this specific address. This is a crucial safety measure designed to prevent accidental deletions. Read the confirmation carefully, and, if you are certain about your decision, proceed by confirming. It's important to note that if an address is currently linked to an active subscription, a pending transaction, or is designated as your primary billing address without another address on file, PayPal might require you to update these linked settings or add a new address before allowing you to successfully remove the old one.